Mysteries Gardens. I'm Rebecca, and along with my wife Karen, we are on a mission to renovate and rejuvenate our little piece of earth. So tonight, while I was in the garden, I realized that I probably really should pick my potatoes because all the stems were yellowing and new stems were starting to grow and put on flowers, which means that the potatoes that are in the dirt are starting their cycle and they're starting to grow again. So we don't want that. We want to eat them, of course. So tonight we are going to pick the rest of our potato buckets and see what we get. So come along with me on this adventure in the garden. I cut off all of the stems, and then I also pulled out the mulch. And then over here, when I pulled the mulch up, there was actually a little potato sitting right on top. So I am going to dump these out and see what we get. This is bucket number 1. And we have surprises right at the surface. So I'm crossing my fingers that there's more like that inside. So I'm going to pull any roots out as much as I can. Make sure these clumps aren't potatoes. Oh, yay! Look, there's one. Nice. So we've been getting a ton of these really tiny ones. We got a bunch off of our first bucket that we did a couple weeks ago. Actually, it's like a week ago. Sorry, I'm not showing you very well. Yes. So you can see, whoops. So you can see how it grows off the roots system of the stem. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down and really get my hands dirty. That one bucket got us all of these potatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 big ones, a couple teeny tiny ones. This makes me so happy. So I wanted to show you this. So there's one of the stems, but so over here, right here, there was a potato and I pulled on it and it just, the root goes all the way around the bucket and comes off of this stem right here that was in the ground. So cool. So this stem right here was a pretty big stem, and it got those 3 potatoes off of it, but if you can see, that is the original potato that I had cut and planted into the ground. So it's usually these, get mushy and die away, but this is still a nice, it's hard. I don't know. That second bucket yielded a few less, but they were a lot bigger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count that as 110. So it's about 10 per bucket. Oops. It's getting dark, so my camera's finding it hard to find the light, so I gotta hurry. So it's so dark out that I now have to use my camera flash. So I just want to show you. So those are the empty buckets. I did put the roots in there. Oh my gosh. Look at those. They're so beautiful. I didn't count them. I don't know how much they weigh. I'm going to take them inside and weigh them. And then I will let you know at the very end of this video how much these potatoes plus the ones that are inside already from the first bucket, how much everything all weighs together. I got way dirtier tonight than I thought I was going to. I don't know if you can tell how lovely dirt is, but I love it. So we got our hands dirty in the potato patch. We pulled up all our buckets. We got the potatoes out of the ground. It was very exciting. I will tell you at the end of this video exactly how many potatoes we got and how much they all weighed once I get them inside and with the potatoes that I picked the other day from the first bucket. So I hope that you've enjoyed this adventure in potatoes in Chasing Mysteries Gardens. It's been a wonderful year. I can't wait to eat these. I have a couple recipes in mind. I think I'm going to try to can at least 1 pint just to see what they taste like. I'm going to have to can my green beans anyway, so I'll just do it at the same time. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And it wouldn't hurt if you shared this video on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or whatever you use. Again, Sookie Sookie. Love the earth, love yourself, love each other. Till next time.